Welcome to your 2026 Honda Prelude. Let's talk about staying cool or warm with the dual-zone automatic climate control system. Prelude makes it simple to adjust the cabin environment even without lifting a finger. Thanks to Google built-in, you can control the temperature or seat heaters just by speaking naturally. Say, set driver temperature to 72 degrees, or set seat temperature to high. And Prelude takes care of it instantly. It's a seamless, hands-free way to stay comfortable while keeping your focus on the drive. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, every setting can also be adjusted manually. Each side of the cabin can be set to a different temperature. Use the dials on either side to adjust driver and passenger settings. Prefer to keep things simple? Press Auto. The system manages fan speed and airflow automatically to maintain your set temperature. To maintain a consistent temperature throughout the cabin, press the sync button to match both zones to the driver's setting. Fan speed is adjusted with the center on-off knob. Simply rotate clockwise to increase fan speed and rotate counterclockwise to reduce fan speed. Use the mode button to direct airflow to the windshield, dash vents, or footwells wherever you need it most. Need to keep outside air out or boost AC efficiency? Press the recirculation button to keep the cabin air contained and cooling performance high. Need to clear things up? Front defog quickly removes fog from the windshield, and rear defog activates the rear window and mirror heaters. And finally, there's a dedicated AC button to turn the compressor on or off. Note that the AC system removes moisture from the air, so turning on AC, even with the heat on in cool weather, will help clear fogged windows more quickly. For extra comfort on cold mornings, the heated front seats warm up with a simple press of a button. 3 levels of heat are available to both driver and passenger. Just keep pressing the button to reduce the heat to your preference. That's it. Whether you're cooling down after a workout or warming up on a chilly morning with the heated seats, Prelude's climate control makes it easy.